In this video, we will show you how to replace the QuickFit band included with your compatible Garmin watch. This includes series such as the Descent, Enduro, Epix, Phoenix, and Tactics Adventure watches. For this process, you will need a clean workspace and the replacement bands. If you do not already have a replacement band, visit www.garmin.com and select your Garmin watch. On the product page, select Accessories followed by Bands. Here you can choose the compatible band selection for your watch model. If you are not familiar with our QuickFit bands, they let you quickly swap bands without any tools, and are available in leather, metal, nylon, and silicone materials. Now that we have our replacement bands, let's start by removing the watch band. Using your finger, press down on the latch on the QuickFit band. Now slightly pull the band away from the watch. Repeat these steps on the other side of the band. Now attach the new QuickFit band to the spring bar. It will simply snap into place. Then repeat this step on the other side of the watch. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, see our other videos for your adventure watch, or visit us at support.garmin.com.